Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a game-changing topic for industries, facilities, and businesses of all sizes, building a proactive maintenance culture. If you're tired of dealing with constant equipment breakdowns, skyrocketing repair costs, and chaotic downtime, this video is for you. Before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our actionable guides to optimizing your operations. Let's get into it. A proactive maintenance culture isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's about preventing failures before they happen. Imagine a workplace where your team anticipates issues, uses data-driven strategies, and collaborates to keep machinery running smoothly. Sounds dreamy, right? According to industry leaders like Micromain, the key lies in shifting from a reactive firefighting mindset to a proactive approach that prioritizes prevention. Think regular inspections, predictive analytics, and condition monitoring. These strategies don't just save money, they extend equipment lifespan, boost productivity, and even improve workplace safety. But here's the catch: building this culture isn't just about tools or software, it's about people. Leadership must champion the cause, fostering open communication and empowering teams with training. Employees need to feel ownership over maintenance goals, whether that's through gamified KPIs or recognition programs. And hey, if you're nodding along right now, drop a comment below. Have you tried implementing proactive maintenance? What worked or didn't? Let's brainstorm together. Of course, challenges pop up. Resistance to change, budget constraints, and outdated systems can stall progress. That's why starting small is crucial. Pilot a predictive maintenance program on one machine, gather data, and prove its return on investment. Use success stories to win over skeptics. And don't forget to leverage modern CMMS or computerized maintenance management systems to automate workflows and keep everyone on the same page. By the way, if you're learning something new here, show some love with a like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more deep dive content like this. Now back to the strategy. To wrap it up, a proactive maintenance culture is a long-term investment, but the payoff is huge. Reduced downtime, lower costs, happier teams. What's not to love? Start by setting clear goals, investing in the right tools, and nurturing a mindset of continuous improvement. And remember, this journey is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit the bell so you're the first to know when we drop new tips. Let us know in the comments what topics you want us to cover next. Maintenance hacks, software reviews, we're all ears. Thanks for watching and keep striving for that proactive edge. Catch you in the next one.